To cook this delicious and best jollof rice, I started by blending the pepper mix I will use to boil the chicken or protein. That is the habanero pepper and onions mixed together and blending. And you can either blend it smoothly or roughly. So here is the blended pepper mix we are going to use to cook our protein. So here I start by putting the washed protein into the pot and adding the blended pepper mix and the chopped onions with salt and seasoning cubes. Then I will cover it and allow it to bring out the water to simmer a bit before adding the quantity of water to cook the protein. Okay, for the rice, all I do is to measure out the quantity of rice I want to cook and add boiling water to it, and also add salt and cover the rice for about 20 minutes before washing it out. So for the 5 cups of rice, I use 4 medium size of tomatoes and 3 large size of bell peppers, which I chopped and blended, 1 large spring onions, garlic, red onions. After which I checked the protein and it's well cooked. So I fried the protein. I decided to fry it out first. So after frying the protein, then using the same vegetable oil that I used in frying the protein, I poured in the cut onions, garlic, cut spring onions, thyme, curry powder and salt. Then stir and add pepper mix. Then followed by the tomato paste. I fried it for some, let's just say 10 minutes. Then I poured in the blended tomato with bell pepper. That's the blended tomatoes with bell pepper. I poured it in, allowed it to cook a bit. Then I added seasoning cubes, natural spices that I have at home. Allow it to fry for say 20 minutes and pour in the meat stock you have and taste for salt before adding any other salt. So I allowed it to boil, then poured in the washed rice. I lowered the heat and covered with a foil paper and allowed to cook on a low heat. So after the water might have dried up, I added the leafy parts of the spring onions and covered it for say 5 minutes. And voila, our rice is good to go.